KY108 Drone Operation Guide. Open the box and remove the product and accessories. Product contents. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Plug in the power adapter. The red light stays on during charging. The light turns off automatically when fully charged. Remote controller charging demonstration. Connect the remote controller. Plug in the power adapter. The red light stays on during charging. The light turns off automatically when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Remove the control sticks from the back of the remote controller. Install the control sticks. Insert the memory card. Peel off the protective film. Unfold the drone's arms. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Install the obstacle avoidance module. Press and hold to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control. The remote control will automatically pair with the drone. Wait for the video feed to connect. One-touch gyro calibration. Push the left joystick up to unlock the drone. Push it up again to take off. One-touch takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Fly forward. Fly backward. Fly left. Fly right. Speed switch. 1 beep indicates low speed. 2 beeps indicate medium speed. 3 beeps indicate high speed. Electric camera adjustment. Press briefly to activate obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will stop flying when it encounters an obstacle. Press the roll button and move the right joystick. The drone will perform a 360-degree roll. Light switch. There is a hook button on the bottom of the drone. Press briefly to activate the hook. Attach the rope to the hook, then press briefly again to deactivate the hook. Then fly the drone into the air. Press the airdrop button briefly. The drone will immediately drop the payload. One-touch landing. Press the photo button briefly to take a photo. Press the record button briefly to start recording. Press it again briefly to save the recording. Press the system button and select File System to view saved photos and videos. Press and hold the system button to switch to the video interface. Press briefly to play the video. Press the back button to return to the live video feed. Connect to the app. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the app. Press and hold to turn on the drone. Connect to the drone's Wi-Fi after the download is complete. Open the app once connected. You will then see the live video feed. Replacing the propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the propeller screws and remove the propellers. Be sure to distinguish between the A and B markings. Install the corresponding propellers.